Hello guys, very short video about how you can create something like that, the timestamps, for better indexing, for navigation, for your users, etc. So basically how I achieve this thing. So let me show you. Let's go to the YouTube Studio and let's download the subtitles for our video. I have a long video. I have already prepared subtitles using the CapCut. If you don't use CapCut for video editing, you probably should try. But maybe you already have something more cooler. That's fine. So let me download the subtitles files here. Yeah, okay. It's not supported. We are just opening this thing here. Yes, it's very slow because there is a lot of stuff. So we have downloaded the subtitles. Basically, it should be just a captionated file like timestamp plus text. So yeah, it is something like that. And let's go to the Claude. I'm paying for the max plan because I'm using the Claude code. So yeah, that's why I have this thing here, but maybe it will work on simpler subscription, I don't know. So let me just ask this guy something like that. Let's create a description and title based off these subtitles. Also create timestamps. And let's wait a bit. It should be very quick, by the way, even for the 1 hour video, because, you know, LLMs are very nice to process a lot of text. That's why it's just working. So as you can see already, we have a nice timestamps. Also, they are proper, because I have checked it for the multiple videos. You can use this thing to generate timestamps, and this will improve your user experience for your videos. So yeah, this is kind of very, very quick video that I would like you to see this possibility. So have a nice video editing experience and have a nice day. Bye bye.